people, I believe this is gold. Hold on a second. People, I told you that the 8-track does not miss the silver. Look. Okay, so I got a 22, 23, all the way to 24. I thought it was it was like 2 inches down only, so I thought it was probably silver ring, but instead what I found was these 2 Australian dollars, Elizabeth II Australian dollars. What about that? So it came all the way from down under. Oh wow. And they have beautiful kangaroos on the back. Nice. 2 Australian dollars. Woohoo! Look people, I found another internal part of a clock. Remember that I have found a few of these before. Nice. Well, it's a nice relic. I'm gonna clean them up because I have like 3 of those already from different locations. Nice. Okay people, it seems that in the club here I got more stuff. Oh yeah, it's a gear for that same part, and there's more parts. There you go. You see that basically the whole clock is here. I wish I could find the key. Okay people, I got this 11, 12. I thought it was a pull tab, but this is what it is. It's a beautiful pendant. Wait a minute, this is heavy. Wait a minute. Wait a minute people, I believe this is gold. Hold on a second. Look how beautiful this is. Let me check it out and then I get back to you. Unfortunately people, it's not gold. Seems to me that is probably gold plated. It doesn't have any markings, and it's peeling right here, this side here on the wing. But it's a very nice find. Look at this. Wow. 11. Sometimes 11 is gold, but could be that it has a, you know, it's a gold field probably. Well, very nice find. Woohoo! Okay people, I moved to the river area here on this shore to see what I can find, and I get this signal. It's an old lighter. Have to be cleaned. Alright, let's keep going. Okay, people, after scouting all of this area with the Equinox, I decided to try now with the E-Track to see if I can find some subtle things that the Equinox might have missed. And right away I found this old button, and it's all metal. Look at this. People, I told you that the E-Track does not miss the silver. Look, this is very close to where I found the 4 coins. And look at this. This is silver. Oh yeah. Look at this beauty. What is it? Alright, so it's a Merc. It's a beautiful Merc. Let's see if I can find the date for this beauty. $19.20. It's a 1920 Merc. Ooh! So people, I had to abruptly quit the hunt because I got a tornado advisory in my phone. So I quickly headed home, but it took me some time as I was stuck in traffic. I actually felt the strong winds shaking my truck several times. It was really scary. When I finally made it home, this is what I came across with in my neighborhood. Total chaos with lot of trees branches down and even some big trees falling into homes and cars. Nobody hurt, thanks God, but a really scary situation. As you can see, this is in front of my house. Look at this big tree falling into a home. Amazing. Look at that. More damage, a lot of branches down. This is actually my neighborhood. Look at that. Now it's sunny, as you can see, but it was really nasty before. Really dark. A lot of wind, very strong wind, causing all of these trees to break like toothpicks. I have been in Chicago for 29 years and I had never seen anything like it in my neighborhood. Look at this house, just remodeled to be sold.
Messed up too.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Probably in that cemetery down too. That's what they're looking at.
Oh, okay.
You know, there's too many trees in that cemetery. That's where it might have hit first.
Trees blocking the streets. This is part of a roof. Or twisted. And this is what caused all of this damage.
We term this a derecho. What is a derecho? It is a long-lived, strong windstorm. And what makes it so unique is the distance it travels and covers. So this complex of storms started way up, out to the north and west, out of the Dakotas and Nebraska, moved through Iowa, into northern Illinois, traveling over hundreds of miles. And take a look at all of the damage reports coming in from this storm. Over 550 wind damage reports. That is just incredible. We haven't seen something like this in a very long time. Here at home, as we take a look a little bit closer, you can see those reports around the area. We zoom on in. You also note a potential tornado report coming out close to the city, Rogers Park. Potential of this tornado moved out over Lake Michigan and became a water spout. So probably some investigating will be done with this storm by the National Weather Service. Nothing confirmed as of right now. But in terms of our wind gusts, you can see these gusts today, and they lasted for quite some time, up to about 75 miles per hour. But LaSalle taking the top spot at 91 miles per hour. That is incredible for a storm system to barrel on through and pack those winds across much of the region.
Wow, that was something else, right? I've been here for 29 years and I have never seen anything like this. El derecho. Only one time, okay? No more. All right, so let's move on. I do have here Mr. Robert from GAW's Metal Detecting Adventures, my giveaway. And after this, I'm going to raffle the winner of the question about the 4 coins that I found in a sealed bag a week ago. All right, so let's see what is inside this box. All right, let me be careful with this. I don't know what is inside here. I have an idea, but okay. There you go. And here is his note. It says open first. All right, so there is something that I need to do first before I look at the other stuff. There is a letter and there is something inside, but let me read this first. Okay, it says, hey Roberto, thank you for being a loyal subscriber and congrats on winning my giveaway. Thank you very much for the opportunity as well. Inside you will find that I've added a few extra items into your prize pack. Woohoo! I hope you enjoy them as much as I did. Some of the items I found while metal detecting, those are more valuable to me. Thank you very much, Robert. Again, thank you, good luck, and happy hunting, GAW. Thank you very much, my friend. Let's see. They are probably a coin that he found. There's another one here. Wow, this is wonderful. All right, so I have a 1964 Washington, the last year of the silver quarters. Nice. One more for my collection, and he said that he found this one. There you go. 1964. There you go. Washington quarter. And I do have, this one came in a sealed bag, just the one like the one that I found, but mine has no clip, no paper clip. And this Rosie is a 1964 as well. Look at that. 1964 Rosie and 1964 Washington quarter. Nice presents. Thank you so much, Robert. Let's see what else we have here. Let's put this aside. They will add up to my collection of coins. And all right, so I do have, this is a backpack. Ooh, I look like a little boy opening all of this. Look at this. All right, so this is it. This is a wonderful Mind Lab backpack, and it has some items here. Look at this. This is the Mind Lab metal detecting band. Beautiful. Look at this. Wow, amazing. Oops, look at that. It lights up. Oh, wow. Let me take this out of here so you can see this better. Look at this. Off and on. Wow. This is Mind Lab Meta Detectors. And you know that I'm a Mind Lab fan, okay? I do have other detectors. I have Anti-Hunters and Garrett, but Mind Lab are my favorite ones, right? There you go. Very nice band. And there's another pocket with some other stuff. Wow, this backpack is packed. Look at this. There's one more thing here. A pair of gloves. Nice. Look at this. This is so wonderful. It was worthwhile to wait. Look at this. Diesel protection. Nice. And there is another thing, another pair of gloves. I have gloves for the whole metal detecting season. Thank you so much. I will have to open this because you don't know. I don't know what Robert did here. By the way, people, oh my God, I'm telling you, this is so awesome. Oh, wow, I love this. GAW Meta Detecting Adventures. This is so awesome. Whoa. Let me see if we can see this better. Wow, this is so beautiful. Thank you so much, my friend. Look at this. GAW Meta Detecting Adventure, and yeah, it's medium. It's my size. How do you know? Wow, I love this t-shirt. Look at this. You will see me meditating with this, okay? In no time for the next one. Very, very nice. And there is another pocket here. And more surprises. Amazing. Look at this. There is a bag. And it has something inside. What is this? No way. Look at this beauty. You see, this is what I call a giveaway. I have to do better in my giveaways now from now on. And this is a 925. White gold. Do you find this? This is awesome. This is very similar to the one that I found, with the exception that, you know, mine is not even silver. All right, this one is silver. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Wow, it says 925 here. I don't know if you can see this, probably not. It says 925. I gotta close my jaw. Oh my God. This is the best giveaway ever. Wow, this is so wonderful. Let me keep looking because you never know. All the pockets in this backpack were filled with some stuff. Very nice. Sometimes I don't know where to carry my cameras and my gimbals and all of those things that I use when metal detecting. Now I know where, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you very much. You know, guys, this is what I love about metal detecting, okay? And this is what I love about this community. They have a big heart. Thank you very much. And it's giveaway time. So I'm here wearing GAW's Metal Detecting Adventures tank shirt. Take a look. And I want you to go and check out his channel. If you like what you see, then you can subscribe to GAW's Metal Detecting Adventures. So let's see, we have a giveaway going on. In this giveaway, you were supposed to try to guess if the coins that I found in a sealed bag, they were all quarters, if they were clad or silver. And let's take a look back to how everything started. People, I want you to look at this. I get this 3132, and I have been just pulling out trash with those numbers. But I want you to take a look at this. 3132. Look in this hole. But look at this. This has been here for many years. Look. It has, look, what seems to be quarters inside. And this is sealed. This is a sealed bag. Those silver quarters. Oh my God! I wish they're silver. You know what? I believe they are. No way! Let me take a look and then I get back to you. This is awesome, brother. This is awesome, people. This is so crazy. Woohoo! I wish they are silver. The silver. Wish me luck. I get back to you, okay? Hold on a second. That was great. And I have 24 participants. 13 said that the coins are clad, and 11 said that the coins are silver. So they were more or less, even. So let's see what happened with the coins. Who is right? Clad or silver? Let's see. They are clad, people. It's $1 in clad, but still a very good find. Oh my God. My heart was really pumping really hard, but it's just clad. It's $1 in clad. And it's from the 90s. So they are in this sealed bag. Oh my goodness. So the coins were clad. So all of you who said that the coins were clad, you were right. And I had 24 participants and 13 said that they were clad. So though I'm gonna raffle this Garrett findings keeper or finders keeper, whatever you want to call it, among those 13. And I have very interesting comments about justifying, explaining why they believe it was clad or silver. I had a person who was actually researching the manufacturing. The first time that the plastic was manufactured was in 1959, according to his research, and that then he believed they were clad. But you know, if they were manufactured in 1959, there was a very good chance that the coins were silver. But others said about the green color through the back, that meant that the coins were clad, and very interesting comments. So let's see who the winners are for this fun giveaway. So what I'm gonna do is that I have a random number generator. Let me see if I can find it right now in my phone right here. All right, so there you go, right here. Okay, so this is my random number generator, and I got 13 participants. So I'm gonna pick one from these 13. Then I'm gonna attach a number to the channel that participated. So pay attention, okay, so that you remember your number. I'm gonna say whoever win. I'm gonna say who is the channel, okay. So number 1 is Floyd Detectorist. Number 2, Clayton County History Hound. Number 3 is Alex Rigau. Number 4, Papa Rose, What's in the Dirt. Number 5, my friend Anthony from Rayfan Network. Number 5. Number 6, Sterry Lock. Very nice channel about locks. Take a look, okay? Number 7, Mark the Berg Hunter. Number 8, Ron Ralph's son. Number 9, Dan Anderson. Number 10, Tommy from River Sticks Outdoors. 11, Digging Richmond from Canada. 12 is Mark Thomas. And number 13 is a Ski Searcher. Alright, so the coins were from 1974, 1984, 1986, and 1990. So let's see now using my random number generator. Let me find a way so that you can see it, because I have lamps in here. So I'm gonna click right here, and give me number 4. I cannot even see it myself. Number 4 is the winner, and number 4 is Papa Rose, What's in the Dirt. Congratulations, you just won these wonderful Garrett's Finders Keeper bags. So Papa Rose, What's in the Dirt. Let's take a look at what he said, what was his comment was, okay? Take a look. So he said, sorry I missed the premiere. I think they are clad. I saw green on one of the coins. Alright, so people, with this I'm gonna close the show. Thank you very much for every person who participated. And I would like to have more fun giveaways like this. So stay with me, okay? Watch my episodes. And in the near future, I'll be giving out more stuff in these fun giveaways. Okay, until then, wish me luck and thank you for watching.